Today we're scraping another laptop, and in this case it's another Hewlett Packard yet again. It's a HP Compaq and 8510P. Indeed, generally are too old to sell, so it's usually a matter for scrapping. In this case I must scrap it anyways, because I promised to do that. And I already went ahead and removed all the screws, so we'll see what we have. Yeah, nice. The usual excellent quality pins on the battery, as well as on the other side of the computer, of course. So that's nice. Then let's see what we have here. Ah, nice. Yeah, round sticks. See, that's why I love doing laptops, but at the same time I absolutely hate doing them. And I love doing them because wherever you look at, there's something in it for us. On the other hand, it's a lot of work and a lot of screws, and I never can do it right. You always end up ripping things apart. So that's why, yeah, I love and I hate doing it. And oh, this one still has the hard drive. That surprises me, because this comes from the health industry, from a doctor, and he gave me a bunch everywhere the hard drive was removed. So either on this one there is no sensitive data, or he forgot about it. In any case, I wouldn't take it apart, so it doesn't matter. Okay, the CD-ROM, we will take that apart later on as well. And there must be somewhere hidden screw still. I can't get it open. That's what I meant by I hate doing them. It takes forever for me to get them apart. And yeah, no, that's not it. So why is it not opening? Okay, there is no need for you to watch. I'll take it apart and then I'll turn on the camera again. Okay, so the camera, it cracked out on me again. It did that weird thing I described in the last video. Maybe it's a heat problem, or I don't know. So I don't know how much I lost from what I already recorded. We had the keyboard with the minor, and we had the trackpad, just a normal one, nothing special. And the last I pulled out was the network card, the wireless LAN card, which is always nice. And this time it has 3 plugs. All of them have the nice gold plugs on them. So let's go on. There is nothing on the fingerprint sensor. There is a tiny gold, I don't know actually what it is, I think metal, in here. You can pull that out. I'm not sure how good the gold on it is, but it doesn't matter. There is another tiny card. I'm not too sure what it actually is, but it has 2 chunky MOCCs on it and visible gold. So it's probably something underneath the mask as well. Okay, the CUDA has nice copper on it. I would keep that actually. And finally the motherboard, which is, yeah, I mean, we have the CPU, of course, which have some gold pins on them, so that's okay. Then we have a gold corner PGA, this chip and this chip. Oops, this chip. They don't contain any gold. It's like nothing in it. Leave them on. It's not worth even removing them. Sometimes they have, like in this case, they have tiny spots of visible gold on them as a marker. But it's so little. It's really not worth doing. Yeah. And this is rather interesting actually. Let's see if there is anything else. Card. Okay, so the chip on it, the main chip on it, is useless, but we have 4 memory chips, and we have some gold fingers, as well as 1 to 3 tiny ICs. And a tantalum capacitor. On the backside, nothing much. Some super tiny chips and stuff like that, but nothing too cool. The rest of it it's basically, we have a BGA here, not a BGA, a flat top here, another one here. There's something, I don't know what it is, but it doesn't look good for us. We have the contacts of the battery. We have another row of contacts for the batteries. We have a row or 2 of MLCCs, which are labeled so we know they are. It's always nice. Yeah. Well, some more of the tiny. Oopsie, I never know. Okay. Of the tiny IC chips. Yeah, other than that, there's nothing much on it. There's MLCCs everywhere on the board, but not all are labeled, so it's a bit of a guessing game. The pins are, I would do those. These are for the hard drive and for the disk drive. These I would do. The others I wouldn't, unless they come off on their own. Then yes, but if you have to put work into it, then no. Let's have a quick look under this memory slot. No, is it a memory slot? I don't know. No, yeah, it's a memory slot. Okay, this part has some pins that would be nice if it's not too much work to get them out. Nice. Oh, these are actually good pins. Yeah, I'll take those. And I found another BGA underneath, as well as a chunky gold band oscillator. 1, 2, 3 chips, so that's nice actually. Okay, so nothing too spectacular, but nice, it's good. That was well worth the time for me. Now, the question that remains is, how good is the fingerboard? And, oh, let's see. Okay, and here we have the fingerboard. Nothing on the back, so yeah, that's okay, I still take it. There's nothing else in here for us. Yeah. Okay, so the camera screw up from before gave me time to go ahead and remove the screws of the hard drive and of the CD-ROM already. So the pins, they're just one-sided good and the other side not so good, but I would take them. Then we have a flat top and an IC, another IC, some contacts here, and you have a foil of contacts here, and I have to actually go change the DVD. Just let it run until it stops because I'm taking apart the rest of the drive. Okay, nothing good in this part. Sometimes there is a tiny band of gold going down the read-write head, but not in this case. We will have the magnet, of course. And now I have to go change the DVD. Alright, let's have a look at the CD. And the CD drive, of course, it's a huge waste of time. We have some MLCCs, they're not labeled, but okay. The contacts, yeah, maybe. And then 1, 2 flat packs, and that's it. Oh no, of course the flat band cables, they always have gold contacts on them. They're just like gold fingers, only on foils instead of boards. Probably I would do those. So yeah, I think I didn't forget anything. Okay, yeah, there you have it. Enjoy your day.